In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Houzz customer support. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so what you want to do is head on over to houzz.com.au. If you're in Australia, it's going to be .au. Now from here, we need to scroll down to the website's footer. And then under company, it's got contact us. So go ahead and click on contact us. And also, if you are from another country, it will be automatically directed to the right URL. So if you want to do a different country, you can click on where it says your country, then select the country. So if it's United States, click on United States, and that's going to redirect you to the right country, but it should already automatically put you in the right place. So from here, click on, where was it? Contact us under company, which is strange because it should be here. So if I click Australia again, let's have a look. I'm going to scroll down. Well, that's interesting. Australia's got to contact us, but United States doesn't. It's a bit odd, but it should be near the footer here, the contact us button. All right, so now we're over at the help section of Houzz. And now from here, just scroll down, and then under where it says get in touch, click on contact us. And now from here, the only thing you can do is submit a request. So you got to choose your country and then choose the type of request. So I'm going to do Australia, type of request. You can, yeah, you got a few options here. So I'm just going to do general help. And now just fill in the rest and just say how I'd like to reach out to your customer support team. Can you give me the right email address to contact them with? Another good website to find contact details is go to a site called pissconsumer.com. So this is it here. So let's click on Piss Consumer. And now we're gonna, once we're on that website, we're gonna click on the search bar, top of the website, and then we're gonna click on Houzz. Here it is here, Houzz with 990 reviews. And we're gonna scroll down. And then we're going to see reviews about contacts Q&A tabs. Click on contacts. And here we go. So we've got a couple of numbers we can call. I don't know why they make it so hard to not make this visible on their website. It's got me stumped. But yeah, here we go. So we've got a toll-free number. We've got customer service numbers here. And also we've got the house email. So we've got customer service email. So just click on that to shoot them a message.